Breathe better. How to strengthen your lungs with simple exercises. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're diving into something we all do, every minute of every day, but probably don't think about enough. Breathing. Your lungs fuel every cell in your body with oxygen, but are you giving them the attention they deserve? In this video, we'll show you simple exercises, breathing techniques, and daily habits to boost your lung power and breathe better for life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a breath or a video. Strong lungs aren't just for athletes. Whether you're walking upstairs chasing your kids or recovering from illness, your lung capacity determines your energy, stamina, and quality of life. As we age, or if we've had respiratory illnesses, lung function can decline. But the good news is, your lungs can be trained, just like muscles. Let's start with physical movement. These exercises improve your lung capacity and help your body use oxygen more efficiently. 1. Walking or jogging. Regular cardio strengthens your lungs and heart together. Try brisk walking for 30 minutes daily. 2. Swimming. One of the best full body and lung training workouts. It teaches controlled breathing under pressure. 3. Jump rope. Great for endurance, coordination, and lung power. Start with 1-minute intervals. 4. Breathing walks. Walk while inhaling for 3 steps, exhaling for 4. This improves breath control and oxygen flow. 5. Yoga and breath-based movement. Yoga poses and pranayama breathing stretch the lungs and calm the nervous system. When exercising, focus on deep belly breaths instead of shallow chest breathing. This activates more of your lung volume. Now let's slow it down. These breathing techniques are powerful, even if done just 5 minutes a day. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Your belly rises. Exhale for 6 counts. Your belly falls. 2. Box breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold again for 4. This improves focus and lung elasticity. 3. Pursed lip breathing. Inhale through your nose for 2 counts, exhale slowly through pursed lips for 4. Helps control shortness of breath. Practice these in the morning or before bed to increase calm and lung strength over time. Here are a few daily habits that protect your lungs long-term. Avoid smoking and vaping. Even occasional smoking damages lung tissue permanently. Clean your air. Use air purifiers. Avoid strong chemicals, and keep houseplants to support air quality. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your lungs' mucosal lining thin, helping them work more efficiently. Sit tall, breathe deep. Good posture allows full lung expansion. Don't slouch. Laugh more. Yes, laughter strengthens your diaphragm and improves lung function. It's nature's workout. Your lungs keep you going, moment by moment. Show them some love through movement, breath work, and healthy habits. You don't have to be a runner or a yogi to improve your lungs. Just start breathing with intention, 1 breath at a time. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your favorite breathing tip or routine. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University, your space for simple, science-backed wellness. Breathe well, live fully, stay inspired.